Good morning. It's quite a chilly start to the day, but for most of us, a bright one. We should get some sunshine at least first thing this morning, and throughout the day it is going to feel less cold. The wind a little bit lighter than it was yesterday. The clouds sneaking in from the southwest should be dry in the most part. You could get a spot or two of rain further west you are later on this afternoon. The maximum temperature, though, a touch more mild than yesterday, 9, maybe 10 Celsius by the end of the afternoon. Now, overnight tonight, could get some spots of rain across us. Quite a murky night, quite a lot of low cloud around, but the minimum temperature, it's not going to drop down too far at all. A reasonably mild night, 7 or 8 Celsius as a minimum. Now, through Wednesday, we are going to get some outbreaks of rain, some showers through the course of the afternoon. It stays rather grey, but we're hanging on to the mild air. The temperature tomorrow across the board staying in double figures, 10, maybe even 11 Celsius by the end of the afternoon. Quite a foggy night Wednesday into Thursday, a murky start to Thursday morning, but we are hanging on to this mild air throughout. There is quite a lot of dry weather post Wednesday. We're hanging on to this cloud though, but the temperature both during the daytime staying in double figures and nighttime reasonably mild as well.
Thanks, Kate. I'm going to be back with the latest from BBC.
Good morning. It's a bright and sunny start out there this morning, but don't be fooled. It's a cold and crisp one. A frosty start for many with quite a dramatic temperature drop overnight, followed by sunshine and showers. So quite a beautiful start if you don't mind the cold. That cold northwesterly breeze, though, blowing through some showers, potentially some heavy ones with some hail and thunder mixed in there as well. It'll feel cold in the showers. The temperature struggles up to 11 or 12 Celsius. Now, overnight tonight, those showers will continue to rumble through for the first part of the evening. Clear spells will allow again the temperature to drop overnight. The minimum between 3 and 5 in towns and cities. Cooler in the countryside, so again we can expect a little bit of frost first thing tomorrow morning. A similar sort of day as we head through Wednesday. Again, 1 or 2 sunny spells, some showers, some heavy ones with some thunder and potentially some hail. A cold day again with a maximum of 10 Celsius. Now, things start to make a slight recovery as we head into Thursday. This warm front gradually starts to sink south, and that will introduce some slightly warmer air. Nothing too dramatic on the temperature rise as we head towards Friday, but it will feel slightly more pleasant as the sun returns. So for the next couple of days, some showers, some heavy ones, some hail, potentially some thunder, and it is going to feel pretty cold. Good morning. It's a very cold start to the day with temperatures in some spots overnight down at -5. So a widespread frost this morning. It's feeling cold, but we have plenty of sunshine. There is a risk of some mist and maybe some freezing fog patches out there, but they shouldn't last for too long. Plenty of blue sky today. The wind is like a bit more cloud further north you are, but the temperature, again, it struggles. Feeling chilly between 3 and 5 Celsius, the maximum temperature. Now, overnight tonight, clear in the most part. Temperatures falling away fairly quickly once the sun sets. Not quite as cold as it was last night, and we see a little bit more cloud starting to feed in. Towns and cities should hover about. Well, Sonia, it's not quite as wintry as it was last week. We've lost that cold air, but we did have some sunshine earlier today. That was in central London in the city. You can see a bit of blue sky there, but then the clouds have been rolling in, and Twickenham a little bit later, lots of umbrellas. We've had some showers, and they've been merging together to create some longer spells of rain. Now, for the rest of the week, it is going to be reasonably mild, but with that, of course, comes the moisture and the rain, so it's going to be quite unsettled. Now, this was earlier today. You can see that the cloud was moving up with some outbreaks of rain, or rather showers coming up through the course of the day, and we've had those into the evening as well, and that larger bit of rain there is what we have now. So it is quite damp out there at the moment, but it is gradually starting to clear out of the way. It's actually a cold front. It'll move through as we head through the evening, becoming drier with some clearer spells. But despite the clearing skies, the temperature, it's not going to drop very far at all. It's a reasonably mild night. We've still got a chance of 1 or 2 showers, especially as we head through the early hours. The minimum temperature tonight staying above 0, around 7 or 8 Celsius. So certainly frost-free tomorrow morning. Now, for tomorrow, we've got some sunny spells, some showers. 1 or 2 of those could be quite heavy, quite blustery as well. I've had quite a blustery day today, and that wind stays with us not only overnight, but through tomorrow as well. Now, the temperature tomorrow may be a couple of degrees cooler than today, but still double figures, around 10 or 11 Celsius. Now, as we head further through the week and into Wednesday, again, we'll see some brighter skies in the morning, but then a cold front is moving towards us, so the cloud is going to increase in the afternoon. That cold front, though, the rain on it fizzles out by the time it gets to us. We'll get a little bit, but nothing too significant. Temperatures between 9 and 11. Now, that low-pressure system, bringing that cold front, the rain on Wednesday, moves slowly north as we head into Thursday. So it's not actually going to be a bad day for Thursday. Breezy, yes, but it should be drier, and we should have a little bit of sunshine as well. And as we head further through the week, the temperature, it is gradually getting a little bit milder again. Wet and windy, though, on Friday. Sonia.
Okay, Kate.